Welcome to my channel Electronic Secret. Here you will find videos about LED, LCD TV repairing and smart TV troubleshooting. Today I am going to show you how to reset Hisense smart TV to its factory settings. Since you are watching this video, you have a problem with Hisense smart TV and you want to do a factory reset so you can get it working again. Now I am going to show you how to do a factory reset in a second. But I usually recommend in my videos trying a soft reset of your TV first, because that factory reset will basically wipes your settings and apps, password stored and other things like that. So you should probably try a soft reset if possible. I am going to describe is a soft reset first. If that doesn't work, I will go on with a hard reset to solve your problem. Now the soft reset is really easy to do. Is to unplug the TV from the wall. Don't turn off from the remote. Unplug it from the wall. Wait about 60 seconds and then plug it again. In most cases this will solve, believe it or not. Okay, if this doesn't care of your problem, you can do a hard reset. I am gonna show you that. Now to perform the reset on most Hisense smart TV, press settings, then system, then advanced system settings, then factory reset everything. That's our video for today. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe our channel. Goodbye.